Hello, my name's Litwin. I'm the Technical Sales Director of Antrica. So we're at DSEI here in London and we're showing a range of our UAV products for drones. So I want to start here with these two. These are our low-cost HDMI encoders. So these basically take an HDMI input and stream it over a network. So this is the entry-level product. We then have another device here which can interface to a Sony Zoom Block and analog camera plus two USB-C cameras as well. And we look at another one here. This is the 1776, and this one has removable modules. So the idea of this product is that you can actually add or take away different modules depending on the type of camera that you've got. This is an HDMI module, for example. And then we've produced this device, which is our 1776 UAV. It has HDMI input, it has an analog input, but the benefit of this unit is it also adds artificial intelligence as an option. So you can add a mezzanine on top, which will give you the AI capability. The 1776ZB is also available with AI. So let's just move over to the demo area and I can show you the camera in action. So here you can see, hopefully, just about the 1776 that I showed you earlier. It's connected to a Sony Zoom Block, a thermal camera and a USB camera. So all three cameras are being displayed at the same time, and you can see that these purple borders around the objects is basically the AI, which is yellow 5, and it's now object detecting, tracking and classifying what that object is. So these are all the UAV products that we're showing here at DSEI in the UK.